into the water. The water's a little cold today, but it's nice. Woo! The water! Ah! It's getting cold. Oh, we got a paddleboard guy here. Oh, very good. It's a beautiful sunny day. So we're enjoying the afternoon here in the ocean. It's really beautiful. We got some surfers here without the waves. Surfers without the waves. Very good. It's beautiful water, sunny day, gorgeous. Gorgeous day here in Boracay. We're having a good time. There's not a whole lot of visitors because of the virus, I think. So we have the beach to ourselves. Good and bad, good and bad. So we're here in the ocean enjoying a beautiful sunny day. You got the surfers there. There's a like thing that bounces up and down in the sky up there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's that. And Boracay Beach is just looking nice. The beach is looking good. There's some sunbathers. There's no umbrellas and there's no tents. So it actually looks better. It looks better. The water looks better too. The water is very good. Nice, nice water. We got some guys doing some snorkeling here. The water's pretty nice. It's a nice day today to snorkel, right? Yeah. Beautiful water. Very nice. The water is gorgeous. Big visibility today. Nice day in the neighborhood. Woo! Beautiful water. Awesome. So that's it from Boracay. Enjoying the day, having a good one.